We support the right of the citizens who have organized 31 July 2020. We support their constitutional right to embark in a peaceful constitutional protest against the regime codified in Section 59 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. We reject the fascist response by the regime, in particular the remarks made by the deranged Patrick Anthony Chinamasa. A responsible government would have asked for dialogue with the organizers of the events of 31 July 2020. But this regime is unique. This regime is violent. This regime is impervious to logic, to objectivity. And we've seen a serious clampdown on citizens. We object to the arrest of Wepo Chingono. We object to the weaponization and instrumentalization of the profession of journalism. Journalism are a medium of transmission of a message. So you deal with the message, you don't deal with the conveyor, you don't deal with the vector, you don't deal with the agent who is making that communication. So we demand the immediate release of Wepo Chingono. We demand the immediate release of Jacob Ngaribhumi. Jacob Ngaribhumi is again a conveyor of the suffering masses out there. He has not committed any crime. He has not thrown a stone at anyone. And anyone who has watched these videos, it's clear that he is calling for a peaceful program on the 31st of July 2020. So we object to ZANU's attempt to convert the 31st of July 2020 into another 1st of August 2018. We object ZANU's attempt to convert 31 July 2020 into another 1st of August 2018. We don't want bloodshed. We don't want bloodshed. We want the Constitution to be upheld. We want the Constitution to be respected.